Hello my friends and viewers, this is Gabriela Stardust reporting here from New Braunfels in Texas. It's the San Antonio area. I just spotted here something really weird in the skies. A huge cloud to the left side of the sun. Looks like a chemtrail cloud, but then again it have hundreds and hundreds of small little holes to the side, which looks like many small little objects. I don't know if we can see that later here in my video clip. I hope we can. It looks really weird underneath the sun to the let me see, I would say to the 8 o'clock position from here. Like I said, looks very weird. We have also underneath that we have a dark grayish chemtrail cloud. I hope it is to see what I try to show you. Anyhow, going back here really quick because the sun is disappearing behind this huge cloud, chemtrail cloud, which looks like a, I don't know, like a huge black object. You see, the sun came down really quick here, which I say it's the sun sooner or later anyways. Went down too quick, and maybe if we have luck she's coming back out here underneath, but I'm not so sure about it. But I'm still going to show you this huge area of really dark black chemicals, and with these straight lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 straight lines going over here and right above the sun, where the sun just disappeared, behind those huge long blackish object. Today is Saturday, is the 12th of October. There we see some sun rays, or a shadow of a sun ray coming down there. And I hope we can catch her as fast as she did disappear behind the middle section here. I hope we can get it back out and see if we see something when she comes out. Let us go around here a little bit. I want to show you some of these chemical clouds. You can see them here like a curtain. Those blackish lines. You see those blackish lines? Those things like here in the sky. Then you know these are the chemicals. They're coming down on us here. And then in the back you see a mix out of some of real clouds and a mix of the chemicals going right into it. Going a little bit more to the northwest area here, where you see those blackish clouds as well. I started there. Then we have some white ones, little black ones, a mix over there out of black and white. I hope my camera is adjusted good so we can see everything here really clearly and not on a Milky Way, or you know that it looks like a cryolan picture. Going back here, The sun is coming down. Southwest skies. You see how thick those chemicals are when they are spraying, so they make sure we don't see nothing, because like we don't see the sun, the LED sun behind them, no rays, nothing. That's what they expect, and exactly, you know, we wouldn't see anything else which follow it or is above our LED sun. You see, we don't see no round circle at this moment from our sun. She looks more and more like a washed out, faded out object with those chemicals. Even if I can see her right now coming more and more out. This whole area around the sun where the aurora actually is white. White. Then you see this yellowish light, and with those chemicals it, you know, seems like she is much brighter and wider than she actually is. But this is their elites and governments again agenda, that they're spread that out so far that the sun looks like huge, and they think, you know, when this is happening we wouldn't see anything. We don't see anything. To a certain point it's right, but they cannot really cover up everything. That's impossible. We always catch something. We always can catch something if it is not too dense. You see there the round on the bottom, you see the half of a sun, the LED sun is coming out, or the sun simulator, the lens in front of the sun. You can see it looks round there right now. You know, totally round, sharp edges. There's the rest still, you know, above. Don't know at this point if there's anything else around. I have to check this later when I'm done with filming here. Yeah, we have underneath already the other area with these huge white spreading darkish chemicals, and also on top. So you see they're spread pretty good. There's one little area to the 2 o'clock position, which might be, it looks like a shadow. But I'm not so sure about that, because you can see all those lines. They're sprayed pretty heavy everywhere. The whole area is cloaked actually from those chemicals. And it is so very hard to catch those, the second sun and those other objects that are around. And with her, when the chemicals are spread white and be in lines, like we can see here, must have been 2 or 3 airplanes, you know, to spray those lines back and forth. It's not only one airplane. The funny thing is, the last time when I was looking at it, the last couple of weeks and days, it seems like I don't see no airplane anymore. I don't see no airplane, I don't hear no airplanes, but I know they are there. I know they are there, and I know they are spraying. I'm just wondering what kind of airplanes they're using. Maybe drones, because the drones are quiet and much, you know, and smaller. You can place them, you know, right into the clouds somewhere. Nobody knows if they are there or not, because the chemicals have to come from somewhere. I mean, someone is spraying the skies. So if these are not regular airplanes or fighter jets or whatever they're, you know, using to spray the skies, it must be something what is very, very, very quiet. It's flying very quiet. Yeah, it seems like that's about it. We have two little lights here, two round spots, very close to each other with some white lights, some other yellowish looking one. Then on the right one we have another round spot on top. And like I told you before, the chemicals and our regular clouds, they cannot make those orbital walking around objects. That's impossible. We only see it like that behind chemicals and behind clouds, behind the chemical spraying, if there are objects. And then we do see those objects shining through. But the chemicals by themselves or our regular clouds, they're not able to separate or circle these round orbital looking objects so that they appear as they would be there or have nothing to do with our sun or whatever. So the sun disappeared too, the other object too. We still have those small, very areas there. We won't see anything more because, like you can see, everything is very darkish, more blackish, dark, very thick. Those chemicals, regular clouds, they're emitting a little bit, you know, still from the sun or the sun simulator, second sun, the lights in here. But the rest right now is changing into yellow and a little bit later maybe in dark orange. That's from here, my friends. Today is Saturday, like I said, the 12th of October. You all stay safe. You all stay healthy, my friends. I hope you all got prepared for anything. Things are getting much tighter. Things are getting much weirder. Things are getting much closer. And I believe, you know, in a couple of weeks, we all be surprised. Something huge will happen. I can feel it. I dreamed about it. I heard about other people's, what they were dreaming. But I'm just going by my own dreams. And I still threw out here and will throughout November between the 4th and the 6th. I don't know why I have this date in my mind, but I think it will be significant to anything what happen in the next weeks in our futures. So all stay safe. I love you all. Hope you're all coming back here to me. I hope I catch something, and you know, I will stuck up here with you guys. I stuck up with my recording and filming, and you all have a wonderful Saturday night, and maybe I see you already tomorrow on Sunday. Bye bye.